Unraveling the Mystery, the art of pulling someone's leg. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're exploring a peculiar but widely used phrase, pulling someone's leg. If you've ever wondered what it means, why people say it, and how you can use it in everyday conversation, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this mystery together. At its core, pulling someone's leg is a playful expression used when someone is joking or tricking another person in a harmless manner. Contrary to what the words might suggest, it has nothing to do with physical action. Instead, it's all about creating a moment of light-hearted deception, where the speaker misleads someone, usually followed by a reveal that it was all in jest. The exact origins of pulling someone's leg are somewhat murky, but it is believed to have been a part of English slang for centuries. Some theories suggest it comes from the practice of thieves pulling at their victims' legs to trip them, making it easier to rob them. While this origin story is a bit grim, today, the phrase is used in a much friendlier context. It's a testament to how language evolves, turning something potentially negative into a playful interaction. Using pulling someone's leg correctly is all about context and tone. It's perfect for situations where you're telling a tall tale to amuse someone or pretending to believe something outrageous to get a laugh. Here's a tip. Always ensure your tone is light and the context is appropriate, so it's clear you're joking. For instance, after sharing an unbelievable story, you might reveal your true intentions by saying, "I'm just pulling your leg." Let's put this phrase into action with some examples. 1. In jest among friends. "You really thought I won the lottery? I was just pulling your leg." 2. In a family setting. "No, your pet hasn't learned to speak. I'm pulling your leg." 3. At work, in a light-hearted moment. "We're not really moving the office to the moon. I'm pulling your leg." These examples show how pulling someone's leg can add a dash of humor and warmth to various social interactions. And there you have it, folks. The next time you hear someone say they're pulling your leg, you'll know exactly what they mean and maybe even join in on the fun. Remember, the key to using this phrase well is to keep it playful and kind-hearted. We hope this exploration adds a new layer to your understanding of English idioms and expressions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.